Hi there, I'm Dave Miles and I'm here with a brand new product, the Magic Door Handle. Locked doors causing you a problem? Not anymore. With the Magic Door Handle you can open anything. Watch. Oh my god, I just unlocked a locked door with just a door handle. How amazing is that? People trying to have privacy in their rooms? I don't think so. Dave, get out of my room. Just get out. With a magic door handle, you can even unlock doors with just a lock and no handle. Watch this. Now it's got a door handle. No, 1 second. Okay, I think it's locked. I mean unlocked. There we go. Okay. What's this? Come on, it's worked yesterday. I'm not telling you a scam. This definitely works. Just give me a second. Yes. This works. Just don't leave. Please don't leave. Can't. With the magic door handle, you can even open chests of drawers and other chests. But this is an example. Wait a second. I think it's this way. Open the chest. There we go. What's this? See? With a magic door handle, you can open anything. The magic door handle. Buy today. Please. Please, I need money. Buy today at 011-247 896543. No refunds.